What's up, everybody? Now that I've gone a little Hollywood, got to keep up the image. I actually sleep in these things now, so there's that. In this short little video, I had some fun with iMovie and the sound editing. Mixed in some 2020 GT500 footage with some hopefully fun, entertaining sounds, and create this little video. Here we go. Thanks for watching. I'm going to put the foot on the brake, press the start button. Parking brake is still set, and it starts. Here, we'll take the parking brake off. Foot on the brake down there, and like I said, you probably can hear that on the exhaust, or the exhaust sound. But just off of the parking brake. Alright, let's talk about driving mode. So when you first start the car, it defaults to normal mode. There's a toggle down here for different modes, and it only cycles up. You can't, it's not a two-way toggle, it's a one-way toggle. So as I cycle it up, you're going to see there's normal. That's a my mode that I have programmed, and I did that through the different settings. That's the my mode that we're in. There's sport mode, which is, like I said, that's the same setting that I have for the gauge cluster. And then one more, track, totally changes the look of the screen. And then you just get the big annunciator across the top. And then there's drag strip. And there's a slippery mode. Okay, we're going to talk about other parts of track apps. So we hit the Cobra button on the steering wheel, track apps, hit OK, and we were playing with launch control previously. We're now going to play with acceleration timer, and there's different timers in here: 0 to 30, 0 to 60, 0 to 100, eighth mile, quarter mile, and your options to view and clear speeds and distances. But we are going to use 0 to 100 and see how the car does. I haven't done these yet, so we're going to hit that. It says press OK to start, so we're going to get out on the road here, and drag mode, automatic shifting. I'm going to hit OK for acceleration timer to start. So here we go. And so we're not on the greatest of surfaces here. It's old asphalt, and we just did 8 seconds, 0 to 100. So it's kind of fun.